Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing. Today I am going to review this rice water and niacinamide serum from Plum Goodness. So you get 15 ml of product quantity for 450 rupees, and this is the smaller version I bought to try it out. And you also get a bigger version of this, and I will give all the details of the price point and their quantity in the below description box. Key ingredients of this serum are rice water and niacinamide. Rice water is very much famous for giving clear skin, and Korean beauty products always have rice water. And niacinamide is famous for clearing out your skin, preventing acne, protecting from sun damage and repairing skin barrier. It also prevents hyperpigmentation, lines and wrinkles, and in a nutshell I can say that niacinamide is one of my most favorite and very effective ingredient. A few months ago I used minimalist niacinamide serum and it gave me like something burnt kind of skin, so I was really afraid while I was trying out this Plum Goodness niacinamide serum. Before I share my actual experience with you guys, let me give you a short detail of this serum. So this is the inner packaging and this is the outer packaging. The packaging is very simple and it has a clear glass bottle with a dropper dispenser, and it has a milky consistency. Okay, let me show you. Yeah. Okay. This is the consistency of the serum and it gets absorbed into the skin very quickly. It is not thick and gets absorbed very quickly. This is a milky kind of texture and it has no fragrance at all. It has a shelf life of 3 years. I would suggest you to use it at night, though it is written in the packaging that you can use it twice. But I think using it at night is more than enough. For at least for me, I have got a good result after using it once, and I generally use niacinamide 2 to 3 days a week. If I am feeling oily and feeling like zits are coming out too frequently on my skin, then I use it 4 to 5 days a week. If you are suffering from oily skin and you are getting a lot of acne, niacinamide is going to be your best friend. And till date I have not used a better niacinamide serum than this one. It worked on my skin really well. To be honest, there are a lot of misconceptions that niacinamide will cure your acne problems, but it won't. It will prevent your acne problem by reducing the sebum production. When you are using niacinamide, please use a sunscreen during the daytime or when you are going outside during the daytime. Any skin type can use niacinamide, but I think oily skin girls will just like love this ingredient. After using this niacinamide, I have seen a little bit of decrease in acne, and I love this serum. So that's all I have to say about this niacinamide serum. I highly recommend this serum from Plum Goodness. So if you guys like this video and you think this video is helpful, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye till my next video.